This pipe cleaner fox is one of my favorite pipe cleaner animals. It's a little challenging to make, but I'll walk you through it step by step. For this project, you'll need 6 brownish red pipe cleaners, a black pipe cleaner, a white pipe cleaner, a pencil, a thick permanent marker, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. Start with the fox's body. To do this, hold the end of a pipe cleaner against a thick marker and coil it, one coil right next to the other like a spring. Take a second pipe cleaner and do the same thing, coiling it around right in between the coils of your first one. This is going to thicken and make the fox's body more sturdy. Remove your double coil from the pen and set it aside. To start the head of the fox, coil another brown pipe cleaner around a pencil, but you're going to bundle it up, one coil right on top of the other. So instead of making a spring, you're making a little bundle. Leave about 3/4 of an inch uncoiled at the end. This is going to be the fox's nose. So bend it into a triangle and then tuck the end into the coil to make the nose. Now we're going to bulk up the nose and the head with another pipe cleaner. So make a little hook at the end of one of the pipe cleaners and insert it at the end of the nose. Then start wrapping the pipe cleaner, coiling it around the nose, and then coil the rest of it around the head just to make it more round. With another brown pipe cleaner, fold a triangle at the end about 1/2 inch long. This is going to be the first ear. So insert this ear into the head, poke it down in between coils so that it's secure, and bring the pipe cleaner across the top of the head and form another ear on the other side. Bend the rest of the pipe cleaner at the back of the head so that the remaining pipe cleaner sticks out straight from the back of the head. Thread the body coil onto the end of this pipe cleaner and push it up close to the head. To make the tail, fold the end of the remaining pipe cleaner down 3 times until you get to the end of the body. Squeeze the end together to make a pointy tip, and then bend the tail up right at the hind end and make a slight curl at the very tip. To make the fox's legs, take a black pipe cleaner and cut it in half with the fingernail clippers. Each half will become a set of legs. Fold 1/2 in the center, and then curl up each end about 3 times to make the feet. Insert the feet in between the coils at the back of the fox, and then bend the feet up so that your fox will be able to stand. Do the same thing with the other set of legs. Cut the last brown pipe cleaner in half with the fingernail clippers. What you're going to be doing now is covering the tops of the legs with the brown pipe cleaners. So fold one of the halves in the middle, just like you did for the legs, and insert it right over the top of the legs in between that same coil. Then you're going to take each end and wrap it around the top of the legs. Do the same thing for the other set of legs. Now we will use the white pipe cleaner to add some white details to our fox. So stick the end of it through the pointy end of the tail, fold it to hold it in place, and then wrap it around a few times at the end of the tail. Clip off the end with the fingernail clippers and make sure you tuck down that end tightly. This is the trickiest part of the project, but it will really add a lot to your fox. So take the end of the white pipe cleaner and fold two really tight bends. Take the long end and stick it through the head and out at the bottom of the head to the chest area. Now make two longer folds to make the white patch on the fox's chest. Pinch the end into a point and then fold the patch back a little bit. Now run the pipe cleaner back up through the side of the head, just through one coil there, so that you can make the fluff on the other side of the fox's head. So again, make two tight bends. Cut the end off with your fingernail clippers. And then tuck the end into the side of the head. Use a black permanent marker to draw a black spot on the end of the nose. And the very last step is to glue on googly eyes with thick white craft glue. When the glue is dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.